Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reduce time spent on emails with Outlook, easy tutorial step by step clearly. Start by opening Outlook on your computer. Locate and click on the File tab in the upper left corner. Select Options from the menu that appears. In the Outlook Options window, click on Mail in the left sidebar.
Scroll down to the Message Arrivals section. Uncheck the box next to Play a sound to avoid distractions. Next, go to the Send Messages section. Check the box for Always use the default account to streamline your email sending. Now, let's set up quick steps to manage emails efficiently. Go to the Home tab and look for the Quick Steps group. Click on Create New to set up a custom quick step. Name your quick step, for example, Reply and Delete. Assign an action to reply to messages and select Mark as Read as the second action. Click Finish to save your quick step. To ease navigation, enable the Reading pane. Go to the View tab and click on Reading pane. Select right or bottom to choose your preferred layout. Next, organize your inbox with folders. Right-click on your inbox and select New Folder. Name your folder based on projects or topics for easy access. Now, let's talk about using rules to manage incoming messages. Go to the Home tab, then click on Rules. Select Manage Rules and Alerts. Click on New Rule and use a template or start from a blank rule. Set conditions for the emails you want to organize automatically. Choose actions such as moving them to specific folders or categorizing them. Once complete, click Finish to activate your new rule. Lastly, consider using the Focused Inbox feature. In the View tab, click on Show Focused Inbox. This separates important emails from less critical ones for better focus. Following these steps will help you reduce time spent on emails in Outlook. With the right setup, your email management can become more efficient and streamlined. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.